Hey guys, check it out. Just want to give you an update after now owning the 2021 Subaru WRX STI Spec R now for one whole week. And if anyone's new to buying Subarus, you know that when you go online, you can actually choose a whole range of accessories to option out your car. And I didn't do that when I bought this car originally. I just wanted to get this car delivered ASAP, and I thought I'll get the factory extras after. So I've just dropped the car down in Subaru this morning after ordering a whole stack of parts. I'm going to show you right now the range of parts that I've purchased. They're now fitted, and also I'm going to tell you the actual cost of having those installed as well. So I've got the invoice right here. And if you're wondering what's behind me, little secret, it's a 1998 WRX Club Spec Evo 2 Australian delivered, only one of 230 of those delivered into the country. So very, very special car. But let's talk about the 2021 model. So the first thing I had done was, they call it the STI Flexi Tower Bar, which is basically just the strut brace. Yeah, across here it is. This is in an alloy. And if you come across to the center, you can see it's got the STI logo. That's probably the most important bit, right? You want to have STI stamped on everything. It's actually slightly raised and it's in a rubber to touch. Now that strut bar is 621 Aussie dollars, because I'm in Australia, so $621 to have that fitted. The next thing was the battery holder. Now this I really do like. I mean, you really don't need it, but shit, it looks cool. STI stamped here, rubber, beautiful pink. I absolutely love the pink that STI do, particularly in the GC8 models when you have the pink on the white. Just looks gorgeous. So that was that one. Now that one cost, where is it? Battery holder, $176 for that. The next thing was the radiator cap, high pressure radiator cap. Here it is here. It's got a beautiful pink sticker. And funny enough, I bought brand new actually, 2005 model STI. And I remember getting the high pressure radiator cap on that as well. And guess what? It's exactly the same after 15 years. And I'm sure it has exactly the same sticker as well. So that's that one. Now that high pressure cap was $63 for that one there. The next thing we come back over the other side of the engine bay is the STI oil filler cap. This one right here. Funny enough, just to be a little bit different, wish they kept it in the same color, but they've actually gone what looks like to be the cherry blossom red in that, and that is actually a plastic. That cost, whoa, I don't remember it costing that much, but it's another $176. So there you go, that one's that one. And the other thing, that's it for the engine bay, but I got the STI valve caps. I'll just pop down here. There it is, these here, the STI valve cap set. Now that is in a metal, and it's got the STI logo just on the front there in pink. And of course, while I'm down here, I can't resist but having another look at these STI brakes. How awesome are they? They're like I call them a neon yellow, some would say they're green, but just some of the finer details here. It's got STI in black, stamped, oh, it's not stamped, it's really printed onto the caliper there. And the other thing you may not know is the front brakes are also drilled, and it's got this beautiful center cap in the wheels. Yeah, some of these fine details, sometimes you don't notice until you get up really close to the car. Here's another one right here. You can never have too many STI badges. So those caps here, these little ones, they cost $85 for the set of 4. And then the last part I want to show you, and we'll just have a quick look at the Club Spec while we come through here, because you can. Absolutely beautiful. I'm not taking it out as much anymore because now I've got my daily driver, which is the STI. So we're going to have a look in the trunk here. And there it is. The genuine Subaru matte. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. Now, how much is that, you're going to say? It's $168 for that matte. Now, there's 2 more things that are coming. I have ordered them, but they're not here yet. The first one is a short shift gear assembly, and also a brand new STI gear knob. And I wanted to get the gear knob. There's nothing wrong with the existing one, but hey, I wanted to get the one that was an optional extra because obviously not many people have that one. It looks damn cool as well, so that's another good reason. Tomorrow I'm going to take the car out also to a performance shop, and we're going to see what extra go fast bits they can put onto this car. Exhaust, cold air induction, maybe new fuel injectors or something, because I just want a little bit more power out of this thing. So I'll give you guys an update tomorrow. Now I just want to say, if you're enjoying these videos and like me sharing the journey of owning an STI, a 2021 model, please like this video, also subscribe and keep up to date with all the videos I'll be putting out soon. All right, thanks so much and take care.